In front of me is LENOVO Tab P12 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, click on this icon of a photo with a paper clip at the bottom left corner and select audio or videos at the top to find your files. You can also tap on one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, when you're ready, hold your file that you wish to attach and hit select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!